Hey y'all, Nick Pomeroy with PR Equipment here in Kearns and Canton, Texas now. I want to talk about something kind of new, that's kind of cool coming out for the S-Series Massey Ferguson tractors, on 2024 models and newer. So it's pretty exciting that AGCO's come out with this, but on all 2024 model S-Series tractors, like I said, they're including what they call MF Care, or Massey Ferguson Care Package, with the tractor. And so what that is that's a parts contract, or a parts basically for the first 3 services is included with the purchase of the tractor. That's fluids and filters. So you're getting your filters and your fluids for your first 3 services. If you've been around many of these tractors, you know that it's an expensive tractor and maintenance is not cheap. It's important to do good maintenance, but to have that covered is pretty big. So if you want us to do the service, all you're responsible for is labor, and if you want us to do it in the field, we'd love to come to you and do the service at your place. You may be responsible for the labor and the travel time, but you're not responsible for the parts and the fluids. So that's a big thing. That's thousands of dollars included in the price of the tractor. I'm pretty stoked about what they're doing there. And don't forget, right now to the end of the year, we have these major savings on these S-Series tractors. So like this 67 or 6S 155 behind me, big savings on these, and this is included with the tractor. So all your filters and lubricants are going to be included right off the bat. Guys, this is a big thing. So not only do we have smoking discounts, but you're getting MF Care all included, rolled into one. If you're in the market for a tractor, buy it now before the end of the year. It really does make sense. Maybe you're like, I'm buying in the spring. Order it now, put it in a retail order, put your name on it. You can lock in the discount. You're still getting the MF Care all in one. You can lock that in for May of next year. Y'all, if you're looking for a new tractor, whatever it is, we've got you here at PR Equipment. You can reach out to us. Obviously, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, all the socials. We want to be your dealer here in kind of Central Texas area, Central North Texas. If y'all have any questions, just reach out. Thanks, y'all.